The 2026 MiG-17 Fresco emerges as a stunning rebirth of one of aviation's most iconic fighter jets, a machine that once ruled the skies during the Cold War and now returns in a futuristic interpretation that blends heritage with modern engineering. From the very first glance, the silhouette of the MiG-17 2026 edition is unmistakable. The sleek, needle-like fuselage and swept-back wings still carry that aggressive, purposeful stance that made the original a legend. Yet every line has been sharpened, every contour refined, to reflect the aerodynamics and stealth requirements of modern aerial warfare. The fuselage is built from advanced composite alloys that replace the heavy metal skin of the 1950s design, creating a lighter, stronger structure capable of withstanding extreme G-forces. This new skin gives the jet a reflective shimmer under sunlight, with radar-absorbing coatings that enhance its stealth capabilities. The long pointed nose, a signature of the original Fresco, has been reimagined to accommodate modern radar systems while preserving that classic spearhead shape that gives the MiG-17 its unmistakable profile. The wings remain the defining feature of the Fresco's personality. Their 45-degree sweep, once revolutionary in the 1950s, now combines with blended edges and micro-serrated surfaces to reduce radar signature and improve airflow efficiency. These wings are not only aerodynamically beautiful but also functional, integrating fuel lines, weapon hardpoints, and intelligent wingtip pods that host modern sensor suites. The elegant curvature of the leading edge ensures stability at both subsonic and supersonic speeds, making the 2026 version just as nimble in tight dogfights as its ancestors. At the rear, the jet's tail section pays homage to the original's vertical fin design, yet now features a taller, sleeker shape for improved control authority and high-altitude stability. The exhaust nozzles are crafted with stealth geometry, hiding the turbine's heat signature and giving the MiG-17 2026 a ghostly radar and infrared profile. Twin vectoring exhausts enhance agility, allowing the fighter to perform dramatic post-stall maneuvers, giving it an edge in close-quarters aerial combat. Performance-wise, the 2026 MiG-17 Fresco doesn't just honor its name, it transforms it. Under the aerodynamic shell lies a next-generation turbofan engine developed by Klimov, providing nearly twice the thrust of the original VK-1 engine. This power allows the aircraft to achieve speeds exceeding Mach 2, a dramatic leap from the subsonic speeds of the vintage MiG-17. Combined with the use of adaptive thrust vectoring and digital flight control systems, the jet delivers astonishing maneuverability, capable of instantaneous turns and vertical climbs that rival modern fifth-generation fighters. The landing gear, while simple in appearance, has been re-engineered for high-strength composite operation, designed for both rough field and carrier-compatible landings. This adaptability extends the MiG-17 2026's operational flexibility, allowing it to launch from improvised airstrips or short naval runways with equal confidence. Historically, the MiG-17 was known as a pure dogfighter, excelling in close-range air battles against faster, heavier opponents. It was a jet that taught many pilots the art of aerial agility and control, and its reputation was cemented during conflicts like the Vietnam War, where it demonstrated that clever aerodynamics could sometimes outperform raw power. The 2026 edition pays tribute to this history through design cues and paint schemes that recall its glory days while infusing modern stealth geometry and composite layering that elevate it into the modern battlefield. Along its fuselage, panel lines are minimized to reduce drag and radar reflection, giving the entire exterior a seamless, liquid metal look. The air intakes, positioned beneath the nose, have been reshaped into twin adaptive ducts that automatically adjust their aperture depending on speed and altitude, ensuring optimal airflow to the engine while keeping the signature low. The canopy line remains sleek and narrow, merging perfectly with the aerodynamic spine that runs to the jet's tail, creating an uninterrupted flow that reduces turbulence. The MiG-17 2026 also introduces advanced exterior lighting and identification systems. LED-based navigation lights are recessed into the wing surfaces, and the nose features dynamic illumination patterns that help with formation flying and low-visibility operations. Every external sensor and antenna is either embedded within the structure or shaped to conform perfectly with the airframe, making the design as clean as it is deadly. For the aviation world, the revival of the MiG-17 underlines the enduring brilliance of the original design philosophy. Its small frame, Sharp angles and compact profile remind us why it became a symbol of Soviet engineering excellence. But now, in 2026, it stands as a fusion of past and future, an aircraft that combines the soul of the classic fighter with the precision of modern aerospace technology. The MiG-17 Fresco 2026 is not just a fighter, it's a time capsule reborn, a machine that bridges the gap between eras of aviation history. It shows that elegance and performance are timeless when combined with modern science. With its razor-sharp aerodynamics, thrust vectoring agility, and stealth-infused skin, the MiG-17 once again becomes a symbol of aerial dominance, ready to claim the skies with the same spirit that made it a legend more than half a century ago. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the design and performance of the 2026 MiG-17 Fresco, make sure to subscribe to Auto Expert. Stay tuned for more in-depth looks at the world's most advanced machines, where history meets innovation and power takes flight.